Who is ready and leaving me for her date? She have a date with Papa. You have a date with Papa without Mama? You have a date with Papa? Good morning, good afternoon and good night. Hey guys, I just finished getting my workout done. It's a productive workout session. Feeling accomplished this morning. Now I am having some green juice because I didn't get to have it before I got workout done. So I'm gonna make it right now. And then I'm gonna jump in the rest of my day. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys get a little activity. Hopefully you guys get a little physical activity done this morning. Even if it's on your bed, girl. Do a little sit-ups or something. Get that heart rate going. It's not just about losing weight. It's about staying healthy, especially in these times. Get your system ready to attack whatever might come, because hey, you might never know, because this thing is a living monster, a walking monster, let's put it that way. So you and I are not immune to it. You and I are not allergic to it. It can happen to any one of us, so be ready just in case. That's just reality. Anyway, another way you can also be ready is by getting your greens in and boosting your immune system. So if you're new to my channel, my green juice is celery, apple, ginger, and I would add a lemon to it, or half of a lemon to it, but I'm out of lemon today as it's near my supermarket shopping day, so I'll get that in a few days. But for now it's just gonna be celery, apple, and ginger. And let's get this green juice going. So enjoy the rest of your day. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam, and let's go see the rest of the family after this. And I'm just realizing that my cucumber is missing. I was wondering, why is my juice so little bit this morning? Cucumber, you must add cucumber to your green juice. So I add half of a cucumber to my green juice every morning. I'm gonna cut this in two, wash it, and my green juice should be complete. You know, whenever you're doing something and something is missing, but you just wait to figure out what it is. I realized something was right, but I know it will come to me sooner or later. Anyway, add your alright, orange juice for the daughter and green juice for mama. Tyler, you want green juice?
Yes.
Come.
Morning, Kate. Mama, how's I'm going to feed
There you go.
Sarah in same time I do drink a green juice?
Because I can multitask. Sarah, ready for her juice. Sarah! Sarah, come for juice, baby. Come. Juice? Come, mama. Look at her coming. Ah? Sarah, ah? Ah? Up. Up. You can't watch Peppa Pig same time, princess. Look at her. She want to watch Peppa Pig, what you want her juice? Juice?
See you watching Peppa Pig, that's the only video of Peppa Pig finished. I got all drunk.
Hi. It's gonna be a long day.
You know you play too much? You know you love to play too much? Look at her waiting for Tyler to play with her. Look at her. She loves the playing doll, and I get all the slaps. You play too much. Ready and leaving me for her date. She have a date with Papa. You have a date with Papa without Mama? You have a date with Papa? Yes. You have a date with Papa?
Is she pretty?
You have a date with Papa? Yo, look how cute is my girl. Let me show you her outfit. Since we only get to...
So adorable.
Yeah, she's adorable. Look at her.
A fairy.
Like a fairy.
Yes.
Here. Since we only get to dress up for doctor's appointment during this quarantine. Why not? Look at her. She's so cute.
Mama.
She looks like a baby fairy.
Yes.
She's so cute. Look at her. No, no, no. Not your brother chocolate. Sorry, you're too cute. Yes?
I love you.
You want water? She want water. She see her water bottle and she just reach for it. Hey, don't wet up that dress, girl.
Why don't I change?
I'm gonna change it now. No, leave that. Anyway, you guys, Sarah is heading to her 9 months doctor's appointment with Babe. As of course we're still in lockdown and we can't go anywhere. Only one parent is allowed to go with her, so that's gonna be Babe, since he's the driver. So my girl is off to her date with Papa. You off to your date with Papa? Hey Mama? Off to your date with Papa? Off to your date with Papa, pretty girl? Look.
Out of all these Power Wheels, which one is your favorite?
You off to your date with Papa? Hello. Hello, pretty pretty. Hi. You're so cute. Let's go to the car. Don't give Papa no trouble now. Okay? You're gonna miss Mama? Mama gonna miss you. And you're not gonna cry, right? No crying. Right? And you be nice to Papa. Okay? Okay, Mama. Let's go see the doctor to see how big you've gotten, how much weight you've gained, and how healthy you are, and tell the doctor hi for Mama and that you've been a good girl, right? And you're gonna be nice with Papa. Give Papa no trouble at all, okay? No trouble to Papa. Haven't been in your car seat for a long time. It's been a long time. So 1 month. I haven't been in the car since more than a month. And Tyler, it's been a long time. Let's strap you in. Throw them. Let's strap you in. Big girl. Voila. There we go. And now for your belt. Now belt it in. There we go. Good girl. Bye bye, princess. I miss you. Mama gonna miss you. Your car seat need to adjust, mama. Bye, mama. Bye bye. Give me a kiss. Mwah. See you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye. Don't give me those sparkly eyes. Don't give me them sparkly eyes. Alright, baby. You have it remote?
Yeah.
Alright. See ya. Okay, so it's just me and my big boy. Just me and you remain?
Yes, look.
Me know I want no Ryan. Anyway,
cheating.
I'm going to go and get some work done while Tyler watches TV a bit, and then I'm gonna put him down for a nap. And yeah, hopefully they'll be back in no time. You guys, my baby's got back from the doctor and Sarah put on weight. She's getting big, she's getting tall, she gained height and she gained weight, and she's all healthy and all good to go. Praise God. So she's doing well. They're back. She's been napping since she got back. She's been sleeping. I think she's gonna wake up any minute though. However, I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to make dinner. And for dinner today, I am making saltfish rundown. Yes, you heard me, girl. I'm making saltfish rundown and I'm making rice for the boys. But for me, I don't know what I'm gonna have that with. But let's see when it's ready. Maybe some veggies. I don't have any broccoli because tomorrow in the supermarket they am out of broccoli. But yeah, I'll figure it out. Anyway, let's go over and cook this rundown. Has reached a really nice consistency, thick, getting thick and nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and add all my saltfish in. So we're just going to let this simmer a little bit, extract some of the salt from the saltfish while it's doing so, to add that extra flavor. Run down, bubble, done cook, and this ready with some crackers or some bami, festival, rice, you name it, some ground provision. This would go so well with if I had some rye plants in right now. Oh my god. All right, y'all. Run down, I say one. Don't cook. You guys, the day's coming to an end, which means it's time to put my girl to bed. We just did bath time, so it's time for bed, right? Say night night. Say night night to the face. Look at her, she's ready to sleep. You guys can see the sleep in her eye. Say night night, I'm going to bed. Yes. Night night. Say night night. No. No hitting. No. No hitting. We're coming at the end of today's vlog.
What's the gut sound?
Baby, what's the French expression? How was doctor with Sarah? Baby, we don't have all day.
Alright, the doctor was good, sir. Growing, sir. Taking some weight, her brain going, and she didn't pee on the doctor this time. Oh, that was no. She was crying. She cried.
Sarah, baby, reading out your rights.
She just showed the doctor that she's not tired. She's more energetic. She's gonna give him trouble.
Listen, I call Sarah my warrior child because she's full of energy. She determined. Oh my God, she's gonna be a handful. Y'all send help. Anyway, you guys are coming on to end.
She's gonna give you tension like. She's gonna transform to a Dragon Ball Z.
She better transform. I'm gonna like a corner about transform. Anyway, you guys, what's the French expression for today?
What's the Jamaican expression for today? You don't know.
Jamaican expression for today is cock mouth kill cock. What does that mean? Cock mouth kill cock.
You ask me what I mean. I'm not Jamaican.
I'm asking you.
No idea. Honestly, this one, no idea.
Cock. They call cock a hen.
Okay.
It's like a hen. So somebody say cock mouth kill cock. What does that mean?
To kill somebody, use the same technique.
No, it's actually one of my grandmother's favorite saying. May her soul rest in peace. It's a cock mouth kill cock. Be careful what you say about others because it will happen. Could happen to you. Cock mouth kill cock. Don't speak bad of others because that same way that you speak bad about others, it could be you.
A cock mouth, big.
Cock mouth kill cock, right?
No.
Or it's like when you say something bad, it's gonna happen to you instead of the person who you say it's gonna happen to.
Okay. Okay.
What's the French expression?
A la singling.
Mirati, that's so like a Jamaican expression.
La singling.
That's so like a Taylor expression.
Yeah.
Banya.
La singling.
La singling.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
That means, for example,
Let me try
when you ask me some things and I tell you, okay, I'm gonna do it a la singling.
It's the first expression I hear and it's funny.
Okay.
A la singling. It's so Jamaican.
Okay, what it means? Okay, you want to eat?
Wait, no, don't give me no hint.
You want a hint or a good hint?
Keep asking and not getting.
No. It's like if
What?
I tell you, you ask me to do something, I tell you, okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it the 31 of May.
Okay. And?
So, you expecting me to do it the 31 of May?
Okay.
Okay, so it means the same than a la Senglen. There's no Senglen, there's no 31 of May. There's no such day. That means I never do it. So that means you can still run for it. I never do it. I'm gonna do it the 31 of September if you want.
You got me. You got me this one. This one you got me. I wasn't thinking about May 31. You got me. Alright, you guys. There you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
But there's May 31. True.
30 days of September,
It's
April, June, and
that don't have
November.
no 31. No.
He's not your
Yeah. And said the 31 of September, the 31 of June, all of the 31 you know that don't have is the same as
You made me lose the head just now.
You just-
We really have to go say 30 days of September, April, June, and November.
just-
All the others of 30.
You just know
Sure.
that you never do it. Do it. Okay,
Okay,
do it,
I get it.
the 31
I
of.
get it.
So you know when is
Yeah,
next
come and
appointment
get
for
this, man.
Sarah? when
Anyway, you
when the
guys.
chicken will have teeth. You remember this one?
Yeah, I know
Yeah.
that one.
When
Give
the
this
chicken-
video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Farm Catch and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.